Good morning everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to the beach, which is really exciting. I typically don't really like going to the beach, but my sister and I are going to just like watch the sunset and just to relax and I don't know, just like chill. I decided to show you guys what I got at Ulta the other day because I got a bunch of stuff. If you guys don't know, I work at Ulta. Armani Ocean D, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's this. Yeah, so if I keep looking down, it's because I have a monitor right there. This, so far, I've used it ever since I bought it, and it's literally my favorite fragrance. The bottle's so cute. Okay, I also bought another fragrance. I got the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. I didn't get a chance to open this and use this yet because I like to use one perfume at a time. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm growing out my hair because I really miss my like wavy curl pattern because obviously I've bleached my hair for so many years and it has really destroyed my hair. This year I decided that I'm just gonna grow out my hair and really try to take care of my hair. So I was like, you know what? Perfect time to buy products that will help the texture of my hair to come back and to really have a routine set. I don't have it with me, it's in the shower. I could put up a picture right here, but it's the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. I forgot which one it is, but it's for wavy curls and coils. I'm using that now. I've only used it once. I really love the shampoo and conditioner together because they're very rich, very nourishing, hydrating. It feels creamy, that's what it is, and I love it so much. And for days that I need to really purify my scalp and my hair to get rid of all the excess buildup, I got the Kristen S Scalp Purifying Micellar Shampoo. Deep cleansing, shine boosting, scalp hydrating, removes buildup, strand fortifying, clarifying shampoo basically. For a leave-in conditioner, I got the Verb Curl Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles, protects, and restores. So pretty simple. For a styling cream, I got the AG Hair Care Curl Fresh Definer. This is a styling cream and soft hold gel at the same time. I didn't want to have too many products in my routine, so I decided to get something that had a styling cream and a gel in one. This is a Lancome Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I have wanted to try this forever. I got the new e.l.f. No Budge Matte Shadow Sticks in the shades Out of Sight, which is this like blue, like a dark blue teal, and I got Cool Beans, which is like a cool tone brown. I think I haven't tried this one out, but I have tried this. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm gonna keep trying it. So I don't know, maybe I put too much, or I was, oh my god, it comes with the sharpening. I didn't, wow, okay. I got two more e.l.f. products. The new No Budge Cream Eyeshadow, but these are in the pot. But the brown one I'm gonna give to my mom, and a white one because for cool graphic liner, and I don't have a white eyeliner, so I feel like I could test this out as an eyeliner and see if it works. It also says to use as a primer. Should be interesting. I'm excited to try those out. Last but not least, I got the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. Tinted serums usually don't really do so well on my skin, like skin tints, tinted moisturizers. They always break up on my skin. I'm down to keep trying and trying to figure out which skin tint, which tinted serum, which tinted moisturizer works for my skin, because sometimes I don't want to wear foundation. I just want a little, like a little something something. So I have high hopes for this, honestly, because $20, but with the discount I think it came down to $13. Maybe I could do a separate video on like drugstore makeup, or I don't know, something. Yeah, so this was my Ulta haul. I spent a lot of money. stop to get gas. I don't know if you can see us, but we're at the beach. I forgot to film us walking in because there was actually a lot more people than we thought. So yeah. It was something just tickled my foot. My head looks so circular. Circularness. Oh, okay, you want to do that? Look at her eyeballs, guys. They're so pretty. Ooh, I look scary. He has his phone out, just like facing us. His phone is just like facing us. We're just trying to live our best life. Got the munchies. Ooh. Taco Bell. We got 2 chalupas each for us, and we got. Ooh. We got the cinnamon. What's it called? Cinnamon delights. Cinnamon delights. And of course the mild hot sauce. Oh, you give us enough? Yeah. Better have. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Quieres comida? Aquí está, niño. No. It's coming. Look. It's getting pink. The bottom. It's about to turn orange in a bit. It's gonna look so beautiful. This is gonna last. Yeah, we have an entire hour. To get even more prettier. This is prime time. Not Amazon. Oh, what time is it? 7:48, and then at 8:20 is the sunset. You finished? Yep. I was hungry. Yeah. It was good. I'm not done yet. Oh. It's my hair. Can you hold my hair back for me? Ew. Kind of big. It's a little bit big on it, doesn't it? It's all right. What time is it? It looks, yeah, it looks a lot darker in real life than in on camera. Oh, it looks a lot darker on camera? No, a lot lighter on camera. Is that what I said? See, look. We're going home. So beautiful. So we just got back from the beach. Well, we're in the car. We're still at the beach. Yeah. It's 9:12, and sorry the camera quality is really bad. You're on the like front camera. We're gonna go get ice cream
From Rita's. The best.
So you're gonna see our usual order. We get it every single time.
Period.
See you there.
Onward.
These beach houses or hotels or whatever, they're so beautiful. We got Rita's. I got a watermelon gelati with vanilla custard, size small, hence the tininess. And I got a vanilla ice cream with rainbow sprinkles and chocolate chips. So we're waiting until she finishes that so that we can drive, because she's driving. I'm not. I hate driving. It's like an hour back home. Long distance. Really? You don't like driving long distance? I literally rush from work to home. I rush. I'm like, oh my god, I need to go home. I need to go home.